guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title, I have gotten my second box of the mystery boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And so this is the one that is $30. Yeah, this one was $30, which is this little box. It's very small, nothing big. And I got this over the weekend, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. I did do a live unboxing it, just disclosing that I know what's in here, but I wanted to share with you guys what is in this box compared to the ultimate box that I got last week. So for those of you that don't know what the $30 box consists of, you guys will find out in this video. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the little box. It's very small. I'm not going to turn it because my address is on this side, but it's very small, nothing big. Let's go ahead and open it. So this is how it comes, very packed. All right. So once you unpack it, so the first thing I see is another pop socket. If you guys didn't watch my first unboxing of the ultimate box, it was the $175 box, they came with this, and it is on my phone. So I did try it out, like I said in the video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. Might give it to either my mom or a friend, or maybe put in a giveaway, so stay tuned for those giveaways, or giveaway, because I do want to do a giveaway soon. But I'm trying to collect items that I already have, or things that I bought double, so I can go ahead and share that with you guys. All right, guys, so that was the first item, which was the pop socket. It is actually pretty good. It's not that bad. And then the next thing is a velour liquid lipstick, and this is part of his regular collection, and it is in shade I'm Royalty, if you guys can see that. It's a very pretty shade. So this is it. I actually don't have this shade, so I'm happy about getting this one. The next item I got was a velour lip liner in the shade Unicorn Tear, or not Unicorn Tear, Unicorn Blood. And I already do have most of his lip liners, so this may go into a giveaway also. And these are what it looks like. I already have this one from me purchasing them separately, so this is what they look like. These are very good lip pencils. They're very creamy, and so you really have to be careful with the ends or like the tip of it, because they are very very creamy, and they can break very easily. So this is actually good. I think this is a good thing to put in this box. And then the other thing I got was another velour liquid lipstick, and this is in shade Flame Thrower. And if you guys didn't see my first unboxing of the mystery box, I did get this one in the big box, so this is also going into probably a giveaway, and it's this color. So yeah. So the next item that I got, and I'm actually excited because I don't have this a specific color, which is well, that's upside down. It's a velour, I don't know if it's a velour, but it's a lip ammunition in the shade Baby Spice. And I don't have this color, and it's like a little pink color, and I like it. It's not so bright, so I might wear this sometime, and I'm excited. I have two of these lip ammunitions now. And All right, so the last but not least item is a Skin Frost highlighter in the shade Mint Condition. So if you guys didn't see my previous box, I got this one also in that box. So it's kind of like a bummer, but it may go into also a giveaway, or I'll just gift it to a friend or a family member for Christmas. So we shall. All right, guys, so I know it was a short video, but it wasn't very, I didn't get very much items in this premium box, so that's why it was kind of short. But my ultimate thoughts about this box was because I did, so for me it's gonna be different because I did get the bigger box, and I got a lot more things in that box, which is fine. But me getting this box, I thought I was gonna get something different and not like some of the same shades and the same highlighters. So yeah, it was kind of like a bummer, but it could always be gifted. Now, if this is the only box you got, then it's a great deal. $30 for, I think, eight items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 items. My bad. 6 items. So $30 for 6 items, and for Jeffree Star Cosmetics, it's actually pretty good. It's not that bad. I like the fact that you don't have to choose what you get. You kind of get what you get. It's a surprise. So I really liked it, and I hope whoever did, comment down below if you got this box. Let me know what you got. Maybe it's different. I did hear a disclaimer. I did hear that a lot of people got the same things. The boxes were the same and stuff like that. So just let me know if you got at least some things different. It's okay if you got the same thing, but yeah, that was it, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, thank you so much for your support, and I love you all. Bye, guys.